How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Um, I had a question from a subscriber, and they wanted me to discuss my take on Bitcoin and investing in Bitcoin. So here's my promise to you. Let me tell you a story first before I give you my take on investing in Bitcoin or not. All right, so a couple summers ago, I was in Canada. I was visiting a family, and I had a discussion with my brother-in-law, and because he invests as well, and I invest, and he was telling me about I think it's what is it called, blockchain. I think that was something new that was coming out, and I think that was like the new craze, because they seen how Bitcoin was doing and how popular it was getting and how much money people were making. So I said, you know what? Let me put a few dollars into this whole new craze of blockchain, because he seemed like it was pretty convincing. He was selling it to me. So I was like, let me try it. Let me give it a try. Let me come with an open mind. All right. So I went ahead and invested a few dollars in. I forgot the name of the actual stock, but I invested in the blockchain. In a couple months, just a few months, the stock started going down and down and down and down. And I was like, wait a minute now. Maybe I need to rethink this, because if this is the new craze, I'm already behind the 8 ball. I'm already losing. So I thought to myself, you know what, I gotta get out of this, because no way I'm gonna keep doing this and be losing money. This is not what I signed up for in investing, is to lose money. I'm trying to make money. So long story short, I got out of that, and I never looked back. Basically, that was the individual stock as well. So those are my experiences with individual stocks. I mean, I made a few dollars off of individual stocks. Like, for example, Facebook. I bought it when it first came out, the IPO, at $40. Sold it at 168. I only had a few shares, just to test it out. But like I said, over time, I started realizing the real money that I was really making was coming from the dividends, not from the individual stocks. It was coming from the dividends, because it was being reinvested, compound interest. So ever since that incident, I've been investing in dividends ever since. And I only invest in dividends that pay me monthly. So like Warren Buffett says, dividends pay you while you sleep. And it sure does. Every 3-4 o'clock in the morning, every month, like clockwork. Boom, 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 boom. And all I do is just hit that check for that drip, and just be invested once again back into that stock. So as far as Bitcoin goes, well, first of all, make sure to put a comment. Maybe you had the same story I had. Make sure to hit that bell, and always destroy that like button and become a subscriber to my channel. Okay, I'll try to put in 2 to 3, as many as I can, videos each week. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Comment, just like this subscriber who wanted to know about Bitcoin. So would I invest in it? Well, first of all, I'm always, when I give advice or examples or myself, because I want to think of myself too if I'm going to invest, because I wouldn't tell you to invest if I wouldn't do it. First thing I look for is how much the stock costs. So Bitcoin right now, how much is it going for? Probably $8,000, $10,000 a share, one share. So you mean to tell me I'm going to put almost majority of my money into one share and see if I'm able to make a substantial amount of money off of one share, where it fluctuates and it has no dividend, goes up, it goes down. So 1 minute I put it in, the next 10,000 become 8,000, then 5,000. Right now at this point in time, with the stock market going down, me personally, I would probably hold off and use that $10,000 on dividends stocks, where at least if it goes up or down, I'm able to still make an income each month, and take that and reinvest, or take that and pay a bill, or buy some groceries or whatnot, whatever I want to do with that money. But it's something that is coming in like a paycheck. So would I do it? Probably not. Okay. Maybe I would probably try to look for the next best craze, if there's something out there, and hopefully it's something with a dividend. At least you can get that, from off the bat. So yeah. Until then, make sure to hit that like bell, hit that bell, that is. Give me a 2 thumbs up for the like button, and become a subscriber. All right. So until then, keep them coming. Keep asking questions, and I'll give you my honest opinion on what I would do. Now, you don't have to follow me or take my advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an average person trying to get into the stock market and make an income besides working a 9 to 5. So yeah, so you're gonna get my honest opinion. Hopefully, majority of the time I don't try to give you my opinion, but let you at least leave it open where you think, and maybe come up with your own answers, because sometimes I think it's good to allow people to come up with their own answers instead of you coming up with an answer for them all the time. Let them think critically and make their own decisions. So until then, have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day.